guys, so today we're going to do some just regular everyday maintenance on the Miata because we've been being on her a little too hard. So we're going to change the spark plugs and then do a tire rotation because the rears are getting a little more bald than the fronts. So here she is. Here are the new NJKR spark plugs that we're going to put in right now. So we're going to pop out the coils. If they pop out, there we go. Take out the coil packs and then pop the new plugs right in there. And then these tires have way more meat on them than these rears ones because we've been pruning around a little bit on them. But as you can tell right there, yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, not too bad, but yeah. So yeah, let's do this, guys. Let's fix her up. Give her some. Thing at the end, you get one of these little extendable magnetic things. Throw it in there. And get your plug right out. Ooh, let's look how bad these are compared to like the good ones. Oh, these are definitely shot. Look at that. And look right there, you can see the yellowing on them. That's not good. Oh, these are shot. Yeah, those are so fresh. But yeah. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. These are the old ones that I just took out, and these are the new ones. So it seems like cylinder 1 and 3, they have this like corrosion on them. But what's it called? 2 and 4, they don't have that. Very weird. Look at that. Alright. Yeah, so tightening up the sparks, they shouldn't be too loose, but they shouldn't be too tight. You can kind of go a little bit past that tight point, and then you're good. So just a little bit, and then you're good. So, yeah. Alright, let's see if she runs smoother with the new spark plugs. Let's see. Oh, even the startup sounds smoother. That's definitely way smoother. Alright guys, so we're about to do a tire rotation on her. We're about to get rid of, not get rid, but we're about to put these fronts, which will have a little more life left on them, onto these rear, especially on this side because my alignment's messed up, are, as you can see, a little shot right there, yeah. Getting the camber wear and everything is not good. But let's see. Yeah, these are a little better, but yeah, these are going in the front. Too much drifting. Alright, now we have her in the garage, about to jack her up, throw her on jack stands, and we're gonna do a rotation of the tires. So basically these are rotational, so the way you could tell is right there. So look, it says rotation, so they have to rotate that way. So on regular tires, you have to switch them either diagonally or like this. You could switch them. These, since they rotate, the pattern rotates that way. You can only go left. You can switch the front to the backs only. So yeah, but let's do that real quick. Throw this jack under here. Also, another thing to remember before you jack her up, if you don't know, but loosen your lug nuts in the front and the back, because your wheels will be spinning. I mean, in the back, your handbrake will be up, but in the front, your wheels will be spinning. So loosen them while there's weight on them so that you can actually loosen the bolts. All right, so basically we have all our tools right here. Of course, we have our nice handy dandy snap-on wrench, if you can see. I mean, breaker bar, it's not a wrench, but something cool to point out, guys, check this out. So on the front, my friend from Spec Miata gave me his racing pads that are full-on race compound racing pads. So these wheels are supposed to be bronze, if you can see, but they're like basically black. Let me show you. Look at this. That's the color they're supposed to be. Like, that's straight like brake dust. But look at the backs, have like regular cheap pads on there. Should put racing pads, but look, they're basically bronze and these barely dust. So crazy, right? Before we jack it up, this is a little key. We have a key thing, so I shouldn't be showing this. People are gonna steal my wheels now. But yeah, you put that key on and you put this thing on, adapter off. But yeah, you basically put this in here and then you know, loose on screw. Right here is kind of sad, but we do have some carbon right here is damaged on our fender right here. You can kind of see it. But my friend he does carbon repair bodywork for the Lamborghini race team. And then he said that he'll bring some special resin and we're going to make a video with him on how to repair your precious carbon fiber that got screwed up. So stay tuned for that video. Check this out. And we need to put some racing pads in the back because these are Chinese brake pads and yeah, they don't barely work. So I want some race pads all around. Maybe even we're gonna do stainless steel lines all around. That's gonna be a video. We might do a big brake kit too. That's gonna be sick, I think. So stay tuned. Guys, so this is the front tire and this is the rear. That one came from the front, from the rear. So as you can tell, even from here, way more tread, way more beat up. So these should go in the front. These should go in the back. I mean, you can see there's like gashes in here, camber wear. You can see like these grooves are almost gone when these are like super fresh. So yeah, this one's going over here. This one's going back there. Same was on the other side, but here are the suspension components we have. Probably need new end links soon, control arms, stainless steel lines, new brakes. We're gonna have to update this thing. It's been a minute, but yeah, those are Godspeed coilovers. These brake pads are really good. Some race compound pads, like, look at that. Sway bars, we're gonna put that in. I mean, turbo eventually, but yeah, guys, that's basically it. Alright guys, so basically the tire rotation is done. Spark plugs are done today. We're still gonna have to do stainless steel lines, pads in the rear. We're gonna have to do a lot of stuff still to this thing to get it track prepped and get it ready to race. But yeah, overall, it's looking good. So yeah, nice little TLC for her for the day. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for more. So we're at 7-Eleven and we found some other cars right here. So let's check the Lambo out. Nice Integra too, but this thing is sick. Look at that forged carbon on it. Miata fits in with them, kind of, right?